to this vlog about my autumn vacation in 2020. I just wanted to document what I was up to and kind of capture the vibes. Also, a little disclaimer, I was feeling a little bit weird and yeah, my life is just basically a mess, so enjoy! So today we gotta write something for German, like the book, about the book Faust. And then I need to build my basics in Latin because I don't know shit, like I forgot everything and okay, let's start, let's go, woo! Well, guess what? I didn't do shit. Yeah, and then I decided to go for a run because I just felt like literal bullshit. Enjoy this montage. Yes, I am using a towel to get rid of the dust. Don't touch me. I cleaned my desk because I wanted to feel a little bit productive, and please ignore the mess in the background. Like, this is how I survive. I just ignore the mess. Yeah. I can't believe how messy this is. Like, my life is falling apart, but at least my desk is cleaned. Yay. And no, we're not gonna clean it up, we're just escaping and ignoring the mess. But look, nature's so pretty. Night through, while you can cry me a river, cry me a river. I cried a river over you. I decided to go for a bike tour. Now you say We all need to appreciate this more. Nature needs appreciation.
Cry me a river, cry me a river. I cried a river over you. You drove me, nearly drove me out of my head when you didn't shed a tear. Remember, I remember all that you said. Told me love was too plebeian. Told me you were through with me, and
at this point I found a really nice spot and I tried to take some pictures. I hope it's not too cringy. Please don't cringe.
You do. Come on and cry me a river. Cry me a river.
Now I'm just driving home. May I just say how fucking hard it is to film while driving? Whoa. Welcome to Planting with Jule. Let's all be good plant parents and treat our babies well. Let's give them new earth and space to grow, and water to make them happy. And then I also set up my bullet journal. I created a little overview about the month. Then the next 2 pages are my gratitude list and my self-love one. And because I had some space left, I made a mindfulness log and a sleep log. Now you can see the end version of that. My November overview, gratitude. And I called this one proud because it's just things I'm proud of that I did this day. And in case you're wondering, this is the Leuchtturm notebook in the format A4. I don't know if it's worth it and if I can recommend it. Yeah, let's see.